Hi everyone. Today our topic is simple equation. So in the simple equation, today we are dealing with special case. So there are many special cases are there in the simple equation. So in that we are selected one case. The case is x plus a is multiply with x plus b that equal to x plus c into x plus d. When question are in this type, then we have to find x value by using Vedic Sutra. So here one of the Vedic Sutra we are using. The sutra name is Sunyam Samya Samuchaya. So what is the meaning of Sunyam Samya Samuchaya? When your collectivity is the same, that collectivity becomes zero. Here collectivity means there are different meanings are there, depends upon problem. But in this case, collectivity means product of independent terms here. So how we can use the Sunyam Samya Samuchaya Sutra? Let us see. For suppose, before going to solve the problems, just we see the general type and what are the things we can observe from that example. So here I take in x plus a into x plus b that equal to x plus c and x plus d. Okay. So after multiplication, you will get here x square plus x of a plus b plus ab that equal to x square plus x of c plus d plus cd. So both side we have x square term, so we can cancel it. After that, if you want to find x value, we want to transpose this term to the left side and the AB transfer to the right side. So after that, so x a plus b minus x c plus d that equal to cd minus ab. After that, you can take x common here. So x plus b minus c and minus d that equal to cd minus ab. Then our x value is equal to cd minus ab upon a plus b plus b minus c minus d. So this is the way of solving. So if you take any question, you have to solve in this way. From this, we can observe that where numerator value is nothing but cd minus ab. That means it is the product of independent terms of right side and the left side. Suppose the independent term difference is 0, then the total x value becomes 0. Yes or no? So by this observation, we can solve many problems very easily. Okay, right. But we have to notice another point also. This is a simple equation. Why? Because where x square term is cancelled, so that is the reason it is become a simple equation. So every time we have to check whether it is a quadratic equation or a simple equation. So already I given here general type. So in case any problems is look like in this pattern, so you can directly check whether the independent products on left side, right side are same or not. In case they are same, you can directly choose x value as a 0. Okay, let me try to solve this problem. First, we will solve in general way. So if you solve this problem, then you get x square plus 5x plus 6 that equal to x square plus 7x plus 6. In the same way, you see here x square is cancelled out. So that is the reason it is a simple equation. After that, you can transpose x values to one side, constant another side. So then you get 7x minus 5x that equal to 6 minus 6. That implies 2x is equal to 0. Then x value becomes 0. So this is the way of solving. But instead of this, just we can check the collectivity. The collectivity means product of constant terms, that is independent terms in the left and right side. Both are equal. Then we can directly apply Sunyam Samya Samuchaya Sutra. So look at here in this question, x plus 2 into x plus 3 that equal to x plus 6 and x plus 1. So now we want to check whether it is a simple equation or a quadratic equation. You can see here the coefficient of all the terms are 1. Yes, so that is the reason we are doing like this. So another possibilities I will discuss in another video. Don't bother about it. So we have to maintain the leading quotient of each expression as a 1 in this case only. Okay, right. So it is a simple equation. We can say that. Why? Because if you multiply x square terms, then you will get x square on both sides. So after that, just you have to take the products of the constant terms 6. Here also you get 6. So both are same. So by the sutra Sunyam Samya Samuchaya, we can take x value directly 0. Come to here. So if you multiply independent terms, that is constant terms, minus 3 times of 8, that is minus 24, and here plus 2 multiplied with minus 12, then also you are getting minus 24. So both are equal in this case. So where a value becomes 0 because Sunyam Samuchaya Samya Samuchaya is works here. So come to this question. These questions look like different, but if you do cross multiplication, then you will get y minus 9 times of y minus 8 that equal to y minus 4 into y minus 18. Now you can check the constant terms whether their product equal or not. So minus times 9 times of minus 8, that is 72, minus 4 times of minus 18, so that is also 72. That means both are equal in this case. So by Sunyam Samya Samuchaya, where y value is become 0. So in case anywhere if you see this type of question, first check their collectivity. That means the product of the independent terms of in right hand side, left hand side. In case these are equal, then you can directly choose 0. Otherwise, go with normal method. Why? Because you don't know how to solve it by Vedic mathematics. In later videos, we will discuss when their productivity is not equal. That means the product is not equal. Okay, thank you.